Starting the day on the right foot can set the tone for a productive and positive day ahead. The way we wake up, what we do in the morning, and how we prepare for bed at night all play a role in determining our energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore why having a proper sleep schedule and a well-planned routine before bed and in the morning is crucial to waking up the right way. Welcome to Aim High. A nightly routine. The first mistake is to not have a regular routine to follow before going to bed. If you want to have a productive day tomorrow, you need to start preparing for it today so that you can get a good night's sleep tonight. Every good day begins with a good night's sleep. Following the same pattern each night provides you with the time and space you need to decompress after an exhausting day. It makes falling asleep a more gradual process, which means that by the time your head hits the pillow, both your body and your mind will be prepared to doze off. Consider the analogy of driving a car when talking about sleep. After you have woken up, it will take some time for the engine to warm up and for the vehicle to get moving properly. But once you've built up some momentum, maintaining it isn't too difficult at all. However, after some time behind the wheel, you will eventually reach a point where it is necessary to begin reducing your speed. You don't want to take the accelerator all the way to the floor and then slam on the brakes to go from 100 to 0. Instead, you should ease into it and then gradually come to a stop. A productive routine for the night is very similar. It allows you the much-needed time to decompress and gives you the opportunity to gradually relax into sleep, which benefits both your body and your mind. Without it, you are essentially slamming on the brakes and trying to force your body into sleeping when it is not yet ready to do so. A good bedtime routine can greatly improve the quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Try to include activities like reading. Reading before bed is a classic bedtime routine that has been around for generations. The act of reading can help you unwind and transition from the business of the day to a calm, relaxed state, making it easier for you to fall asleep. If you're not a big reader, consider listening to an audiobook or a podcast before bed. Choose something calming and avoid anything too stimulating or controversial. The soothing sound of someone else's voice can help you drift off to sleep. Before laying down, you might want to take a warm bath. A bath before bed can do wonders for your sleep. The warm water helps to relax your muscles and calm your mind, making it easier for you to fall asleep. Add some Epsom salt or essential oils to enhance the experience. Gentle stretching before bed can also help to release tension in your body. Focus on your breath and hold each stretch for about 30 seconds. Meditation is a great way to calm your mind and prepare for sleep and the day ahead. You can use guided meditations specifically designed for sleep, or simply focus on your breathing and let your mind relax. Manifesting is one of our favorites. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and gratitude can help to release any pent-up emotions and clear your mind. If you want to know where to start, check out the video in the description below and consider subscribing if you enjoy content like this. These are just a few suggestions for a before-bed routine. Experiment with different activities and find what works best for you. Remember, the key is to create a routine that helps you relax and unwind, making it easier for you to fall asleep. A proper sleep schedule. Your nightly routine should be set around the time you want to fall asleep. Recommend here is 8 to 9 hours before your wanted wake-up time. If you are having difficulty with this, you'll need to set your body clock back to normal. This will help you get your sleep schedule under control. Our body's clock controls our circadian rhythms, which are patterns of physiological and behavioral changes, including sleep patterns. These are influenced by body temperature, hormone secretion, and environmental factors like light and darkness. How can you reestablish your sleep schedule? Try gradually reducing your bedtime until you reach the desired hour you want to sleep. A doctor may be necessary to assist you with creating a plan that works for you. It is advised to make small adjustments every 2 or 3 days, no more than 15 to 20 minutes. Avoid taking naps during the day. Napping can keep you from falling asleep at night. Instead, you might prefer to engage in some physical activity, like a quick workout or a stroll. The most crucial aspect is waking up when your alarm goes off. By pressing the snooze button, you will be encouraged to stay in bed and may end up falling asleep again. Setting your alarm somewhere out of reach is advised because you'll have to get out of bed to turn it off. Your morning routine. A large number of us have trouble getting out of bed first thing in the morning. This arises from the worry or dread that we have regarding the activities that are scheduled for the day. Have you ever been awakened in the morning to find yourself thinking something along the lines of "I have to do this for work" or "I don't like what I have to do today"? If you're like most people, this has probably happened to you more than a few times. You have to take charge of your day if you want to see a change. You should plan the day for yourself rather than pondering what the day has in store for us, because the day is going to pass regardless. This starts the very second you wake up and open your eyes. Your morning routine should include a number of beneficial habits, such as putting away your phone until later in the day. You'll get into a negative mindset for the rest of the day if you use your phone first thing in the morning, because it will lead you to consume negative media and put you in that mindset. Instead, get your day started with some meditation or positive visualization. Anything that can help you focus your attention on the positive aspects of your own energy and the world around you. Staying hydrated, engaging in physical activity, and stretching will provide you with the energy you need to get the work done that needs to be done. In addition, physical activity is known to cause the release of dopamine, which, in addition to making you feel fantastic about yourself, will also put you in the right frame of mind. In the same way that staying hydrated is essential, eating a healthy breakfast first thing in the morning is as well. In conclusion, having a proper sleep routine, including a bedtime routine, a sleep schedule, and a morning routine, can help you wake up the right way. A bedtime routine helps you relax and unwind, making it easier for you to fall asleep. A proper sleep schedule should be set around 8 hours before the time you want to wake up. Reestablishing a sleep schedule can be done by gradually reducing your bedtime and avoiding naps during the day. A morning routine, including beneficial habits such as putting away your phone and starting your day positively, can help set the tone for a productive day ahead. Let us know what your bedtime and morning routine looks like in the comments below. If you like this video, consider subscribing and joining us in the next video.